The concerned Madina Youth Movement held a stakeholder meeting to draw a 10-year plan as part of efforts to expedite development in the Madina West community, popularly known as Madina Zongo. The meeting was graced by Chief of Madina Zongo, Sarki Ali Dagadu, Chief Imam Sheikh Salman Al-Hassan Muhammad, the Assemblyman Honorable Abdurazak Sise, as well as other prominent figures and entrepreneurs in the community. In an interview with Dr. Nasiba Tahir, she said it was a good step towards development of the community.
It's been an engaging and thought-provoking program, and it's not surprising it's coming from Madina Zongo because we have shown leadership in several areas. We've been pace-setting and championing a lot of cause. So this is not an exception, and I believe that the environment is right. The scope of the stakeholder engagement too is inclusive. And we are hoping that it will move from the drawing table to a smooth implementation stage with little bottlenecks. I mean, this is the future. If we know what we want and where we are going, the future is bright. And I am happy that the usually left out group, the usually marginalized group, that is the women and the youth, now the focus is on them. You know, there are so many research that supports the fact that if women are involved in policy formulation level, the implementation becomes easier because they are on the ground. So I think it's a move in the right direction.
Other stakeholders had this to say.
You know, before you come out with any initiative, you need to engage people. You need to engage people so that you can get their support. If not, you come out with a nice idea, but people will not buy into it. So bringing the youth leaders, community groups together to judge on how we can develop the Zongo, Madina Zongo community, I think is the best thing that can happen to it.
Na train yara more than 20 years. Kuma yana nake son ga yaran, yana nake son ga youth cikin unguwa, garinmu ya sake, gidajenmu ya sake, tun iyaye da ubanni har kan yara. So na ga kaman komi kake wish na alheri Allah ya gwada maka. Mun so mu ga alama shi ko ba mu ga karshe ba. Insha Allah gaba yayi kyau. Na yi muna kwarai, na yi farin ciki da waɗanda suke organize wanga zama. Sun suna bi mu muka ji daɗi su wai mu zama musu iyaye. Shi muka ce muna ma Allah godiya, wallahi za mu zama musu iyaye kuma kowane irin support muna da iko mun support tafiyan ga yanda za mu samu yaranmu kan mu yi hasara. Inji Allah ya ce a'udhu billahi minash shaitani ya ayyuhal ladina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum an-nar. Ku kiyaye kanku, iya mun shiryu shediye mu basu shiryu ba ya ma nan shi. Shi sa gaskiyar tafiyan ga ya kawo shiriya, ya kawo gyara, ya kawo ci gaba, kuma ya kawo arziki. Talaucin da muke fadi ba mu bi dokokin Allah bane, ba mu nemi ilimi da zai bar mu samu arziki ya zo mu ba. Kowa ya relax ga kiwuya. Isa muna gode ma Allah. Wanga zama ne mai albarka, zaman da yake insha Allah ya kawo impact da kuke fadi cikin rayuwa.
This is something initially we don't have such engagement in our Zongo community. So this being something new to us, I think it's something that is moving in a good direction.
The concerned Madina Youth Movement is a social group that aims towards the development of the Madina community.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.